Take control of your home or office electronics with the Kasa Smart Plug Power Strip HS300. With 6 individually controlled smart outlets and 3 built-in USB ports, you can manage all your devices from one convenient location. Charge your phones, tablets, or other USB-powered gadgets while keeping your electronics safe. Enjoy ETL-certified surge protection, safeguarding your devices from sudden power surges caused by storms or unexpected spikes. Plus, monitor energy usage in real time using the Kasa app, so you can see exactly how much power each device consumes and even turn off outlets remotely to save energy. Control everything from anywhere with the Kasa app, or hands-free using voice commands via Amazon Alexa, Google Home, or Microsoft Cortana. With a total maximum load of 15A and 1875W, this smart power strip delivers reliable performance for your home, office, or small business. Simplify your life, protect your devices, and take charge of your energy usage with Kasa Smart Plug Power Strip HS300. Check the description below for details, and click the link to get special discount.